I want to give you 5 reasons why nurses make great medical sales reps. Number 1 is clinical knowledge. Nurses understand the ins and outs of the patient care, the medical terminology, and they have studied hard to understand things like clinical trials and the data. Number 2 is empathy and relationship building. Nurses are some of the most empathetic professionals, and that will transfer very well in sales because they will have to adapt to a number of different types of personalities. No doctor is exactly the same, no nurse is exactly the same, and nurses can then adapt to it. That leads to my 3rd point, quick learning. They can learn. In their profession, they face all types of new things, challenges, and they have to learn. They had to study hard to go through nursing school. And when they sell a new drug in pharmaceutical sales, they will have to study to learn that, but they can do it. They are quick learners. Number 4 is effective communication skills. Sometimes patients might be a little bit skeptical, and it's nurses who can take kind of complex ideas or maybe something that a patient is apprehensive about, and a nurse can very calmly communicate that to the patient. And if a nurse can do that, they can also transfer that skill set to communicating to other nurses. And that's why some of the top sales reps in my industry of pharmaceutical sales are former nurses. That leads to number 5, and that is problem solving. There will always be things that are unexpected, but nurses have this problem solving attitude that works well with collaboration. And in sales, you have to communicate with your team. You have to communicate with TLLs, thought leader liaisons, medical science liaisons, key account managers. You have to communicate with physicians, with pharmacists, with nurses, medical staff, hospital administrators, and nurses can often win in those situations. If you're interested, if you're a nurse, you're like, I want a new career to help patients. Join us at medicalsalesu.com and join our program. I'll be your guide. I'll help you to break into the industry.